since last 1.5 year, I have started with a watery discharge, which is throughout the day. And then I started realizing, by the time it's evening 4 to 5, I drained out completely. I don't have the energy only to stand and do anything.
Yeah.
Then I started thinking, till that it was, okay, chalta hai, lauki kha lo, ye kha lo, it will go types. I tried everything.
Is it a gynecologist also?
Yeah, I saw the gynecologist also. But then she used to tell me the same thing, you have some tension, you have some family problem, due to that stress might be the discharge. She used to give me the vaginal tablets, which I used to take for 8 days or something. And then again, the same thing used to happen, after post 8 days, the medicine's over, I start taking tablets and the discharge starts. So then I really started, not worrying. I said, छोड़ दो अभी ये नहीं जा रहा कितना tablets खाने का types.
Right. How did you manage when you were having that kind of watery discharge? Did you use any panty liners? Did you use any intimate wash, vaginal wash, any of those?
Yeah, vaginal wash I use Lactacid. As I told you, I use Lactacid. Even when I go for shows or even in my daily thing also, I carry it with me in my purse only. If I feel like, even in sometimes throughout the day also, sometimes I feel, oh no, it's heavy. So then I just use that,
Yeah. And it help?
Yeah, it helped means it just helped for the smelly thing and nothing else.
But you were still getting your discharge?
Yeah, I was still getting it. There was no control on discharge. I used to go and change every day. After 3 to 4 hours, I used to change my panty at all. And the bad thing was, it was very smelly. Then I came with the Facebook Aarti ma'am's video for Gynoveda. Then I just clicked the video and I saw the whole video, the whole detailing about white discharge, and I just put myself in that situation. I was like, oh, ye to mera story hai. Now I can recollect, what type of white discharge I used to have, and those I used to start thinking of, no, that was the situation, she's right. Oh, this is the situation, that's why I used to get this type of discharge, that's why I used to get I can classify myself now where I stand in the discharge thing. And when I saw the video, I just ordered it. I took my first Soma tablet on 8th of January.
And what happened? You never had any doubt कि ये तो online brand है, पता नहीं क्या?
Yeah, exactly. I had, that's why I told you I never got on the video when the very first time I saw it. I just scrolled it 2-3 times. I ऐसे scroll it. I said कैसे करने का, क्या करने का. And then I was like, oh, it's an online product. Should I buy or not? I don't know. Then I gave my first chance. Still, it's an Ayurveda product. So, कुछ side effect तो नहीं है, confirm. And that I kept first in my mind. Then I was like, anyways, I'm trying so many things. Why not give it a chance? So I just ordered on 8th of Jan and I could see the result within 8 days. And I was like, oh, this is miracle. And this is what I wanted. I would say the white discharge, has stopped completely. But yes, it has, the way Aarti ma'am has explained, it evaporates the root cause.
Yes.
So might be because of that, the flow has becoming lesser and lesser. Otherwise, I don't have white discharge right now, touch wood. And even though the smelly thing, the itching, the burning sensation, everything has been decreasing miracle for me. Anything you go a positive way, the product reacts very fast to you. If you believe in it, they also believe in you. So
oh, absolutely. Are you still continuing? Are you on your 3rd month?
Yeah, I'm on my 3rd month.
Okay.
Yeah.
And what about the yellowish kind of discharge that you were getting? Has that happened ever in the last 60 days now?
No, that is completely stopped.
What about the smell that you were getting?
Yeah, the smell is still, I can say it is there, but it has come down to 30%, which was 100%.
Good.
So yes, even that is decreasing slowly.
Good.
So I'm very happy with it. Because the watery thing is now there is no tension for me, change of panties and all that. My main tension is gone for that only.
Any itching? Did you have vaginal itching also?
Yeah, I used to have.
How has the itching been? Have you seen a reduction in the itching?
Yeah, the itching has been completely stopped now.
Okay, great.
I don't have any itching right now.
Very nice. I think it's been fantastic recovery from a severe case to what you are explaining to me right now. I think for Dr. Aarti and me, it's very heartening to see the kind of recovery, and continue it for about 120 days. Complete your 4-month course.
Okay.
And after you complete your 4 months, if you're getting any reports done, anything, you want Dr. Aarti and me to look at it, while Jinal and the team, doctor team is already there, but happy to support you and answer any questions that you may have.
Being an online product, buying an online product and getting a feedback in such a way is really awesome.
How wonderful to hear that. Thank you. I'm going to share your compliments with the entire team, and the kudos is to the entire team.
The entire team.
For all of you. I'm so glad to hear that.